Deutsch. I have a connection, Hans, who will be sending me steps now. Hello? Ah, yes, Hans. Ah, okay, good. So this pizza is actually called Flammkuchen, and it is an interesting pizza. Today we are working with ingredients. Oh, by the way, I am joined with the lovely Sweetoshski Panda. She's going to be helping me out with putting the ingredients on a pizza. We've already done some preparation work. I have cooked pieces of bacon and shredded them. And after cooking the bacon, I sauteed onions inside of the bacon grease, which is another prime ingredient of it. And there is an ingredient called creme fraiche, which we don't actually have here in the USA. It's not like a common item, so you have to go to the deli and have it made, but unfortunately the deli I went to did not have it. So we're substituting something similar, which is Greek yogurt. Basically the idea is to have something with heavy cream and a culture inside of it to get the flavor. And we mixed in a little bit of nutmeg with that. And then finally you top it off with some black pepper. I have already prepared the dough and put it on top of a layer of cornmeal. And so basically all we're doing now is first we're going to spread the Greek yogurt on the pizza like a sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then after that, if you would be so kind as to put the onions. Now you don't have to use all of it, but just, you know, put a good amount. So basically, just going to treat this as the red sauce on a normal pizza. This is a very, in my opinion, interesting combination of ingredients for a pizza. Obviously the bacon is going to taste good. Onions are usually pretty good on pizza. But this this cream base is kind of weirding me out, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully it tastes great though. I've been hearing from many people that this type of pizza is delicious. But yeah. So when I was first tasked with this and I looked up, you know, what exactly German pizza would be, this was the first thing that popped up. So apparently it's a common thing, and I am just an ignorant, well, I'm ignorant, and I had no idea what it was.
Well, we're going to use all of it.
Pretty much. I got the measurements of the size of the pizza to pretty much exactly what it was asking for, so.
Oh, she's just perfect.
If things work out, even all that onion that I cooked, which I'm afraid is too much, might not be that much. The bacon, however, might be too much. It said quarter pound. I just cooked the entire package, so
Let's put the whole pig in there.
I'm pretty sure that was a half pound, so we probably only need to use half of it. But everybody seems to be using bacon as a common ingredient, so
Don't spoil it.
that should be good. Okay, so if you'd be so kind.
Do you want me to
Yeah, just kind of
cover it or just kind of sprinkle it on?
just kind of sprinkle it on. Actually, I'll get a fork and
You gotta do it together. Let's make this team effort.
exactly.
It's not as easy as it looks. It smells really good though, I have to say.
I mean, when you cook anything in bacon, it's gonna smell good.
This is true.
Yeah, so I'm thinking we're gonna end up using all these onions.
Oh no, now I went off the board, I'm sorry.
Okay, Border Patrol here. Oh, no.
Alright. Smells like onion rings actually.
I wonder why it would smell like
I
onion.
don't know, you know. Weird.
It's an interesting, interesting smell.
Oh yeah, you get in the corners too. There's the corners. Oh, I'm really
Help me, help you, help yourself, help each other.
Yes.
Wunderbar.
Okay. Yeah, but it's gonna use this whole bit.
Pretty much. So I guess 2 whole onions was not too much.
It was just right.
It was just enough. Thank you.
Should we just
put up my chat window here. Let's see, yeah.
yeah.
Get a little bit towards
It'll be.
Okay, that's good, that's good.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna spread this around a bit.
Okay. Put this off here. Actually, open the key to this thing. I have a feeling bacon is next.
You would be right.
Yes!
Okay, so this one we don't have to use as much because it was only supposed to be a 1/4 pound, but the idea is you can just kind of sprinkle a little bit of bacon on it.
A little bacon. Oh. Nothing like a giant pile of bacon.
I say I feel like it's difficult to go wrong with onions and bacon.
It really is.
With most foods, unless it's like cereal or dessert.
Ew. You've gone too far.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're not going to go to your local froyo place and get onions or bacon, unless it's maybe in Canada. And then it's like a lumberjack froyo place.
A lumberjack.
I feel like that would be the next best thing.
Could happen. Alright.
So.
Do you want all of it on there?
I mean, looks like we got a little space, so why not?
Alright.
And bacon strips.
Bacon!
Reminds me of a particular other cooking show.
Alright.
The pizza looks amazing, use all the bacon. Gee, I wonder who said that. Oh, hi Mr. Cameraman. Alright, so next we're going to finish it off with a little bit of...
Is it a pinch, a dash, or the whole bunch?
They said just kind of sprinkle it on top.
Okay.
So, can I do a Salt Bae? Let's see if I can do a Salt Bae. The elbow grease adds a little bit of flavor.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Okay, so that should be it. We have already preheated the oven to 500,000 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna cook it for 20 seconds. I'll be right back. No, 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and it said to cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. So for those following along who do wish to try this, just keep that in mind.
Yes.
And we are good. Welcome to the stream. We are trying pizza around the world. So right now we're trying a German pizza that I cooked up. It's called Flammkuchen.
Yeah, why don't you tell us a little bit about this now?
Okay, so for those that missed it, Flammkuchen uses regular dough, which I happened to get like a pre-made one from a deli. It was Italian style dough. And then they use creme fraiche, which creme fraiche, whatever. I'm not French and I am ignorant. They didn't have it at the deli, so instead I used Greek yogurt, which was a pretty close substitute. It's basically heavy cream with culture, and then you mix in a little nutmeg for the cream base, and you use that instead of a red sauce. And then you use bacon. You saute some bacon, and then you throw in the onions to cook in the bacon grease, and you coat on top of the pizza with the onions and bacon, and then you sprinkle a little black pepper, and you cook it at 5 million degrees for 5,000 hours. And you get a delicious pizza that I can't even really, like, it doesn't have any cheese on it, but I guess the Greek yogurt plays a good role for the cream substitute, and it's just delicious.
If I could eat bread, I would be all over that right now.
This is.
It's really good. Yeah, so German pizza, look it up.
This is
It's
really
tasty.
good. Kind of surprising.
If you like onions and bacon, and you like bread,